Welcome once again. Let's talk about Terra Classic LUNC bond. Now remember, LUNC Wells, they are one of the Terra Classic bonders. LUNC Wells have actually bond 42,472,000 LUNC coins, and this happens actually in 14 transactions, and that represents about 0.1%. But they stopped bonding Terra Classic as of September 2022. Yes, the last time they bought Terra Classic coin was September 2022. Now, before they stopped buying Terra Classic, they actually bought about 42.4 million coins of Terra Classic. Now, LUNC, Terra Classic developers, are actually be trying to meet up with so many bonders, trying to see how they can get all these bonders start bonding Terra Classic LUNC. Now, if we get all the Terra Classic bonders back on track, we get Terra Classic bonders start bonding Terra Classic LUNC, definitely LUNC will be bonding over 30 billion coins within within 1 month, okay? Because last time they bond, the highest time they bond was about almost 10 billion Terra Classic coins. But this time around, if we get all the Terra Classic bonders, we have over 100 Terra Classic bonders. Terra Classic is certainly going to bond almost 50 billion coins of Terra Classic. Now, for me, LUNC Wells, of course, when they are bonding, they are one of the top bonders of Terra Classic. I mean, this record is as of September 2022. That is about 8 months ago. Okay, they bought about 42.4 million coins of Terra Classic. So we need them to start bonding. We need them back to start supporting Terra Classic. We know so many Terra Classic people have interest. A lot of people actually lose interest on Terra Classic. But I hope to see these people back again, start massively supporting Terra Classic LUNC coins. Let's hope for the best, and I believe that LUNC Wells, if they start buying Terra Classic, definitely they will be burning millions of Terra Classic coins. I assume they were burning before. By now they will have burned a total of over 200 million or a total of over 500 million coins of Terra Classic. They will have been even burned more coins than Kucoin. Well, let's wait for the best and see if this recent plan for Terra Classic to get all these bonus back again, it will definitely work. And if it works out well, it is good for Terra Classic LUNC. Please remember, this is not a financial advice. So like our video, share our video, subscribe to our channel, turn on notification in order not to miss our next videos.